Hello guys, it's me, Brianna, and I'm here with my friend Molly. Say hi. Hey. And today we're playing something a little bit different than Minecraft. Yes, I know it's not Minecraft, but yay, jailbreak. So are you ready, Molly, to be in the video?
You know it.
Yeah. So first, let's go on and go ahead and open this safe. What did I get? What did I get?
I'm gonna open mine too.
How many do you have, Molly?
One.
Oh. No, I got a common. I'm not gonna...
Let's go escape.
Yeah. Let's go. Well, first let's get a key card. Let's go. Da-da-da-da.
And we can find a cop.
A cop's in there. He just went in, so. What the? There's handcuffs just floating right here. Oh, is anybody home? No, okay. I come back later.
No one's in there, so let's just escape.
Yeah, because there's barely any cops in this game. I didn't know about that escape. Bro, I didn't know about this escape. What is this?
Okay.
Do we go out here?
No.
What's up
So
here?
we're now escaping the jail.
Wait for me.
We're going through the sewage.
Wait for me. Dang, it's so slow. Let's go. Why do you have to be so slow, Molly? Oh.
Come on, you're the one who kept saying wait for me. And then you come up this ladder.
And then you, boom, escaped.
Then you go into this car without getting arrested.
Ah!
Oh.
No! No! Did you get arrested, Molly?
No. I'm very glitchy.
I got arrested.
Oh, yep, I got arrested, but I'm still in the car, so let me reset my character.
Okay, I'll meet you back there after 15 seconds has gone by. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What?
I have to reset my
Wee!
character again.
Wait, did you have to leave the game?
No.
Oh, thank God.
But I'm going to have to.
No! You leave the game. Oh, I swear to God. I will murder you. You should really stop talking about that. Anyways.
Where are you, Brie?
Oh, I'm going through the escape. I'll wait for you. Where are you?
I'm coming.
Molly! Let's go. Run, Forrest, run. No. Okay. I just keep on this hair in my mouth. Let's go. Whee! Molly, come down.
I know.
Oh, Molly! You left me!
Who's the slow one now?
You. Still, because I went up to you to save you. And no, you left me. How dare... Where are you? Molly, wait for me! Okay, this is not what friends do.
I'm not your friend. I'm your sister.
Yeah, you my sissy. Let's go.
Let's go to the beach, bitch. Go get away.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Way. I'm
I
driving.
can't get in because I'm already in the car.
How?
I don't know. I have to get out.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to, like, places. See ya. I ain't staying in this prison. Let's go to the beach. Let's get away.
Right now,
Way.
you're in the obby.
No, I don't want to do an obby.
That's fun.
We're already doing a video, Molly. And we've only did 5 minutes, so we need to finish this video anyway, so.
But my computer's about to die.
Charge it! Put it on charge! No! Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. Let's rob the bank. Boring. Yay! No one stole any money from the bank yet.
I'll be right back.
Wait, where are you going? Good to do that. Okay. Well. Hi. Sorry about that. I don't know. E. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Okay. Whee! You know what's weird? Like one of my classmates today we're doing career portfolios. Well, no, she was doing her career portfolio. We've already finished ours, but she was just presenting her second career portfolio, and because she couldn't choose between these 2 jobs, and her second job was to be a YouTuber, which is really cool. So everyone yelled out. People who had YouTube channels said, "Yeah, I have a YouTube channel," and I'm the one who yelled out. I'm one of the ones who yelled out. Cause I mean, like, YouTube. No. Ah, okay. Well. Why are you killing me? You arrested me, bitch. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video here because my friend wants me to play an obby. So the next video C would be an obby. Bye.